but look at it. Look at it. My answer, cushions, sun cushions. Get yourself a sun cushion. Pep balm. This is how I got my husband to wear sunscreen. Fun fact. You guys would be very proud of me. I have not opened this. I have had no sneaky peeks. And also, I have no idea what's in this. So Stylevana reached out to me and we're basically like, we want to send you the advent calendar, but you can't post about this for months. And we will share with you the details later. But I had this sitting here in my office and I can't not open it. So I figure what I'll do is I will go ahead and open this box up and I will put the information when I get it either here on screen or down in the description box below about this, because I think that they're going to have like a pre-order or pre-sale or something, and then I know it launches, I believe, on October 13th. Let's just go ahead and open it, right? Also, I don't ever know how to do camera angles for these types of videos because these boxes are always so large, but I'm doing my best. Ooh, it's heavy. Ooh, it's cute. I don't even know what the theme is. Pink? Ooh. Ooh. I'm just gonna go ahead and go through each of the days. Day 1. Ooh, I have this on my list of things I want to try, and it is the Mary and May Vegan Niacinamide Panthenol Sun Cushion. I always see people ask how they reapply their sunscreen throughout the day. My answer, cushions, sun cushions. Get yourself a sun cushion. Day 2, Frutia Mango Honey Sleep Lip Mask. Let's see if this smells good. I can't really smell it, but I'm sure it smells lovely. Day 3. Oh, it's all the way here in the corner. Ooh, oh shoot, I think I just ordered this. Maybe I didn't. This is from a brand called Tiam, and it is the Vita B3 Source. Oh no, I didn't order this. What am I talking about? Anyways, this is a brand that I'm also seeing a lot more of that I'm testing out some products from. This looks like it's a serum. Niacinamide and also arbutin. Number 4, this is the VT Sika and Hyalon Sika and Hyalon Retinol Shot 100. It says the Retinol Shot formula refines rough skin and dead skin cells to make natural smooth skin. Number 5, we have the Deep Sea Pure Water Cream from Purito. This has deep sea water, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. So it looks like a nice moisturizer. Get back in that. Ooh, this looks cute. The How Do Wonder Scintilla Ace Vitaful Miracle Healing Multi-Balm. I love me a multi-balm. Ooh. I talked about balms in a recent video. I just think that they're so wonderful. They're versatile, travel friendly. You can use them over or under makeup. I have not actually even heard of that one. Ooh, yay, I love sun sticks. We have this guy, which is from Scenic, and this is a super active airy sun stick. This is how I got my husband to wear sunscreen. Fun fact. I actually keep these in my car, so when we get in my car to go anywhere, I'm like, did you put your sunscreen on? He's like, no. And I'm like, well, good thing I've got some sun sticks in my car. Also, they're good. I use them too. Okay, number 8. Ooh, I want to try these. These are the Goodall Green Tangerine Vita C Eye Gel Patch. Goodall, I love Goodall. A lot of people really like Goodall. Their vitamin C products are on point. I actually just talked about their vitamin C sun serum that I'm absolutely obsessed with. 9. Ooh, this looks fun. We have the Pep Balm. I'm Mimi. I think I've seen these. I think you can use these as like lip products or cheek products. Like they're pretty versatile. 10. Oh no. Okay. Ooh, more eye patches. These are from Petite Fille. Black Pearl and Gold Hydrogel Eye Patch. Number 11. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I had a little sample of this and I really liked it, so now I have a full size. It's the Essentree Chestnut AHA 8% Clear Essence. It fits in the box so nice too. It's like the oddly satisfying. Watch. 12. This is from Mentholatum, and this is a chapstick with an SPF 20 PA double plus. I'm pretty sure I have this in different colors. This, in fact, I think I have in clear in my car also for SPF protection on the go. Ooh, we have the Han All Fix Mascara from Nomad, which I have not tried. Long Ash. It's brown, maybe? Oh, this is so cute! A little baby. This is the Hemish All Clean Balm, and this is in the Mandarin version. Look at it. It's a little one. It's perfect for travel because it's actually a decent size, but it's not full size. But look at it. Look at it. 15. Ooh, we got a double. These Sewn by Me. We have the Retinol Intense Activating Serum and the Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. I like the little sizes. Okay, 16. We have the Rear Liquid, Luxe Liquid Shadow. I might have this. Maybe not in this shade. I'll have to double check. I really like these. These are so good. I talked about these also in a recent video. I feel like I have this shade, so I'll keep this for a friend. 17. Eau de Parfum. This is the hand cream Forest Moonlight from Farmstay. I feel like I read that all out of order. It's the Farmstay Forest Moonlight hand cream Eau de Parfum. It smells nice, kind of powdery. Now I put it back in the box and back in the, the drawer. Those. Ooh, Nambuzin. We've got the Skin Softening Serum. 19. Non-Sticky Dazzle Tint from Unleashia. I have this, actually the old versions, and I was obsessed with these, so I'm excited to try the new version. I'm obsessed with Unleashia in general. Ooh. Sounds like candy. I love Pichos. 20. Every time I see this brand, I want to say, Manyo. Manyo, it's Manyo. This is the Bifida Biome Complex Ampule. 21. We have the Beauty Joseon Revive Eye Serum. Ginseng plus retinol. 22. Albib Rice Probiotics Overnight Mask. I haven't tried this. That actually sounds really nice. I might immediately put that into my skincare routine. After I patch tested, of course. Okay, 23. Little BB. Ooh, double! We have, from L'Adore, the Snail Sleeping Hair Ampule. Now we have snail stuff for our hair. Ooh, I like the size too. And then we have the Scalp Scaling Spa. Also, Snail Secretion Filtrate. What is this? Is this like a scrub? Smells really good though. I have to try those. I really hope you can't hear that. They're like jackhammering outside. I hope they're jackhammering outside. What am I on? Oh, 24. It always sneaks up on me. 24. Oh yeah, we've got the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum. Love this stuff. Alright guys, so that was me unboxing Stylevana's Advent Calendar for the year. Even though, like I said, we're in August, like why not celebrate every season? And send me more Advent Calendars. I feel like Advent Calendars, at least the ones that I review, have been really generous and have products that either I enjoy or I've been wanting to try. This was a lot of skincare, I will say. I don't think there was a lot of makeup in this besides like a lip product and a mascara, right? That was the only makeup. But also, to be fair, makeup kind of depends on skin tones and stuff like that. So it's a little bit easier for, well, so does skincare. Anyways, I don't know what I'm talking about. I just had a lot of fun doing this, and I always do. So I hope you guys did as well. And like I said, when this goes up, I will have information to share with you guys. So I will put that on screen or in the description box below if you guys want to pick one of these up, because from my experience in the past, these have been pretty good deals. And yeah, you get this fun thing to do. That's it. That's really it. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!